How to log in into Starbucks account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Starbucks account. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first step is open up your web browser and simply search for Starbucks login. So let's search for that. And after you search for that, hit enter and there we go. So open up this website by Starbucks itself that says sign in or create an account. And it should redirect you to your Starbucks official website. You can first head over there and then come to this page as well. Now all you have to do is type in your email address or username that you previously used and then a password. After you've typed in a password, you're basically logged in into your account. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.